Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Explanation text: Technological development in Indonesia. Overview of the development and important role of technology in the teaching and learning process in education. Let me introduce myself. My name is Della Haryantika. Information and Communication Technology. Information and communication technology as part of science and technology in general are all technologies related to the retrieval, collection, processing, storage, dissemination, and presentation of information. When viewed at this time, the development of information technology, especially in Indonesia, is growing. With the information and communication technology can make it easier for us to learn and get the information we need from anywhere, anytime, and anywhere. In the world of education, the development of information technology began to be felt to have a positive impact because with the development of information technology, the world of education began to show significant change. Currently, distance and time are not a significant problem to gain knowledge. Fresh applications have been created to facilitate teaching and learning activities. The benefits of technology in education. Technology is not only useful in the social field, especially to support the needs of life, but is also useful in education such as improve learning ability, adding information, make the delivery of material more interesting, easy access to learning, increase interest in learning, and new learning methods. In addition to some of the positive impacts of using technology in the field of education above, there are also some negative impacts such as students become lazy to study, the occurrence of immoral violation, the emergence of deviant behavior, or there are students who only spend time playing social media or games, misuse of technology to commit criminal acts or fraud, confidentiality of tests for education is increasingly threatened or questions leaks. Efforts to overcome the negative impact of technology in education in Indonesia include, among others, considering the use of technology and communication in education, especially for minors who still need supervision when learning with information technology. Do not make information and communication technology the only medium in the learning process. The educators, both teachers, lecturers, and parents provide ethics lesson in technology so that they can use technology optimally without leaving ethics. The government as the controller of the information system should be more sensitive and filter any information that can be accessed by students in cyberspace, enforce applicable legal functions, avoid the use of mobile phones with high-end features by minors and supervise their use. The role of interactive technology. Field of education. The role of technology in the field of education includes as a tool and educational facility, controlling the smartphone, strengthening the role of humans, especially in presenting information, text, and process, ICT as a skill and competent, replacing the human role, namely by doing the automation of a task or process. Become a supporter in education management and as a decision support system. Technology is an infrastructure in education and a source of teaching materials. Carry out restoration or various changes to a task or process. Technology advanced students. Is this the future of learning? Distance learning technology is critical to education today and will likely remain important in the future as schools determine how best to move forward school can. Technology is a powerful tool that can make education more meaningful and interesting for both teacher and student. David Werlich, technology needs to be in every classroom and mastered by every student and teacher because this is the pen and paper of today's era. And this is our lens stroke, which to experience many things in the world. Thank you.